guys, and welcome back. I wanted to do a quick Micheal's haul because I wanted to give you a comparison of the mini tulips that are at either the Dollar Tree or Micheal's. Dollar Tree normally has 5 blooms, maybe 10 depending on the size of the flowers, but as I was sitting there looking at them, these have anywhere from 18 to 25 blooms on one stem, and these are on sale right now for $1.99. So you get, I don't know, 4 or 5 times the amount of flowers that you would get if you were to go to the dollar store. The other thing that I liked about the tulips is the variety of colors that you can get. Some of these you can actually use in the fall and summer, and then hot pinks in the spring. So you could use them pretty much 3/4 of the year. I also got some of these little bitty Easter eggs. They were on sale for 30% off, and they were only originally $1. And so they were, what, 69 cents, I think is what they ended up being. And they had several of them. They had little duckies. My camera. I have the wrong lens on today, so I apologize for that. I have to find the right lens. Oh, let's see. It says he is risen. I got about a dozen of them. There's several of them. They have different colors, and like this one has the little bird nest in there. I just absolutely fell in love with them. They're very soft, very pastel. They have the hangers already on them, and what I'm going to do is on the sides of my fireplace I have my 24 evergreen trees, like my Christmas trees, but I don't have any decorations on them, so I'm going to decorate those with that and some garland that I got at the Dollar Tree. The other thing I wanted to show you real quick was AC Moore is, if you're don't know, AC Moore is being bought out by Micheal's, and I thought the store had already closed. Driving by today, I saw that it was still open, so I decided to run in and check and see what they had. They had, some things were 70% off, some things were 80, some things were 30. You know, it just depended on, I guess, where they were in their sales. I needed some ribbons. All of these ribbons are wired, and all of them are 25 feet. Dollar store gets 3 to 5 feet, depending on the ribbon, and not all of it's wired, so I felt like this was a better deal. The 1-inch ribbon that I'm going to show you was normally $6, and I got it for $2.40. Remember, 25 feet each. So I got yellow with the daisies, I got pink with the daisies, and then I got this nice beautiful stripe with green in it. Now that'll go with any of the flowers that I have bought today. The other thing I found was some beautiful Easter ribbon, spring plaid. You know, that can go pretty much all the time. Then I've got the I don't know, I guess summer, the lemons. I mean, really, look at those lemons. Aren't they gorgeous? And it's on the burlap back. See if I can zoom in on that. The 2.5-inch ribbon was $4, down from $10. But the things that I'm most excited about are ribbons that can be used. They're 2.5 inches wide. They are wired again, and they can be used almost year-round with the exception of the winter. Are you ready? Look at these gorgeous ribbon rain boots. They are the teal with the, is it lilac-ish, pinkish lilac boots and the yellow daffodils. And then we have the gray with navy boots and purple irises, or daffodils. So I'm really excited about those. I can't wait to do something with those on these wreaths that I have coming up. This is a game that I have been wanting for many, many, many years, and I would never ever pay the full price for that. So when I found it for the price that I did, I want to say it was $4 or $5, I was immediately stocked up on it. And you know, Dollar Tree has 6 dice for $1, and these have, oh wow, I don't even know how many dice are in here. 10 dice, 40 dice in here. So the other thing that I found today was some clearance Valentine's Day, and I did pick these up before I went to the Dollar Tree. I showed you the garland in my Dollar Tree haul, and if you haven't seen that, I'll make sure to put a card to that video at the end. But I found these beautiful little Valentine. They're actually candle, they go around the candles, okay? But what I normally do is take them apart and they end up being a garland. They have these gorgeous white and red berries, and if you look closely at them, they actually look like little hearts. Okay, see the little heart? And I love the little hearts on them. And they had pink and white and red and white. So I got both of those. $1.20 a piece. The other thing that I was completely out of, and the last time I bought these was 20 years ago. So it has definitely been a while. It was when my oldest, who's 25 now, was 5. He was in kindergarten. So I know it's been 20 years ago. They are the floral greening pens. They had these. They were normally $3 for this one, 50 pieces. They were $1.50. And then this was 150 pieces of the bigger ones, and they were normally $6, and I got them for $3. Definitely needed them. It's been a while since I bought them, and with all the floral wreaths and things that I'm doing, I desperately needed the pens because it's so much quicker to be able to put some of these flowers together than to sit there and just wrap it with the paddle wire. So the other thing I wanted to show you was my shirt. It says, I craft so hard, I sweat glitter. I thought it was funny because my husband calls my studio the Glitter Shack. He said, once you go in, you never come out the same. So anyway, I just wanted to stop in and give you those hauls and let you know to keep your eyes open for some of these things. Check your local AC Moore if you have one and see if they're going out of business or if they're just flipping it over. There were numerous pallets wrapped in plastic that were in the AC Moore store. They're also selling their fixtures. So for those of us who are card makers or scrapbookers, check with them to see if they are selling all of their paper holders, because I know in ours it has, what did it have? It had fixtures for sale, for sale, for sale. Give your name to the girls or guys at the front, and they'll give you a call when they're going ready for sale. All right, guys, you guys have a great day and stay cool. It's the middle of February, and I'm absolutely burning up. Actually, it's the 20th of February. Yikes. You would think in Maryland that it would be snowing. No, it's like 58 degrees today. So, all right, guys, have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.